3, 2, 1, intro!
Ieri la tribuna, io.
Pero puede cambiar. Ahora que está en forma con la bicicleta.
Aquí tiene. Son estas, tío.
No, nothing here. The look is unbelievable, but the legs, we have to see problems. In my defense, I have to say that my precision on the cycling always starts on next month. When I'm in Mallorca, I stay only 3 months, and for me the goal is to be ready there, because I have a group there that I go with my friends, and now it's time to start to be prepared for that 3 months.
Come on.
Yeah. If I have to bet, I will not bet on myself today.
Se le está colando taca.
No. Ciao, Taka.
Hello guys.
Let's check the weather, let's check the grip. Try to stay in the Q2 directly in the practice. This, especially on Friday, is very stressful. The first practice, I would say.
So John, you were saying that like one of these for each rider?
I mean, as a factory HRC rider, you don't expect less, right? No, it's super comfortable. This one, I want to, one day I want to try one of these bikes. Déjalo así, porque ahora voy con el plato atrás. Si veo que se para bien, lo dejo. Por eso en las largas, como que te quedes parado ahí.
Porque no creamos ese tipo.
Vale.
wheelie phase is where we are losing now. In the other acceleration, like acceleration 6, 7, for me, the acceleration is good. I really like this setting, so for me, this is we have to continue like this.
But for me, what I feel is that with the hard, we can have something more, but we need a good feeling.
Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
More agile and they make it faster. Now it's a matter of trying to understand till when we can do to improve this rear feeling and this stability on the rear and the wheel. That for me now is the priority because I have no doubts about this front. I like.
D'abord sur Marc Marquez et puis voilà, on va avoir le plaisir de retrouver là dans les prochains instants sur cette zone et ce sera forcément quelque chose d'extraordinaire.
Il va bientôt refait de nous. Et mesdames et messieurs, il va bientôt refait de nous. Prends son casque, selon le poleman.
Lights out, and we're racing in the sprint here in Le Mans.
Un punto al menos, bien. Era importante acabar. Ya ha hecho una buena carrera.
I'm very happy about the thing that I have at the moment with the front. It's true that with the hard we are a bit on the limit in terms of temperature. It's there.
I denti sono stato coinvolto in quel limite. Uno andava fuori, rientrava così, vabbè. Sì.
The grip was not very good during all the race. Was not fantastic. I was struggling all the race. The rear was constantly dropping.
Thank you.
You know, but when you don't have this, because of the bad period of the bike that I have at the moment, it's difficult to maintain, but now I start to see a bit the light, now I start to enjoy again, and expect that one day we will be back.
Yeah! Bravo, gentlemen, merci à vous! Petit là, allez, on va sur un petit photo avec le Honda HRC. Joan, Luca Marini.
Se giri la tribuna piove, però in realtà è semplice.
Parce que on est presque sur moi, c'est pas loin en tout cas. Terminal de galère. Sa machine.
Está declarada en seco, pero puede cambiar.
Allez, attention, pendant 3 minutes. Pendant 3 virages vert. Au chemin au bleu.
Wet race has been declared, which means you can check. It's lights out and we're racing in MotoGP here in France, firing away on those slick tyres. He's alongside Fabio Quartararo, Fabio on those slicks.
That's Bagnaia on the floor, knocked down by one of the key